So this is how the house look now. This is basically the whole thing. And today's video, I'm going to be precise. There is a specific audience of people who I would like to talk to. I would prefer it to be people who are actually, there are certain things which they want to have. And I remember there was a certain period in my life, I would want to have a good setup where I could work and maybe have, even this, I know it's not something so huge, it's not so expensive that when you see it, you'll freak out. But at least it's a point of which I know there are a lot of people who would like to have something like this. Because I remember the very first time when I started, the only setup which I had was my mobile phone, which I put on a tripod. This tripod, to be exact, precise. But there was a time when I was using that with just a mobile and I would make my videos. And I had to borrow a microphone from Daniel to connect on my mobile and make videos like that. That's how I started YouTube. And today, I'm making videos with one microphone, a laptop, I don't know, a headset for earring, another different microphone, ring lights. Again, I know this is not expensive stuff, but for me it's already something, because the amount of money which I've spent on getting all the things which I have right now, the knowledge which I had to acquire in order to know how to use all these things, it's a very real thing. So let me be specific. For people who are going to watch this video and they don't have the things which I have right now, it's a matter of time and you applying an effort on it. I have zero knowledge when it comes to interior design, but at least one thing which I do is that when I have an idea, I try it low budget. If I have like $50 and I know that I can print some pictures and put it here and there is a way that I can do it. So first of all, how I started making videos first in my room, just putting the camera in front of me and the ring lights, my mobile in front of me and the ring lights and the microphone. I will make a video like that. Then I moved to another one. I moved to a different house, and then after that I started making videos outside with just my mobile. And then after that I started making videos. I got an idea of like, what if I print some stuff here? What if I add some lights? What if I print some stuff? What if I do the video in front of a shelf? What if I add a shelf here, and like, how is it going to look? That's the same idea which I use basically everywhere when I'm trying to make my videos. So through this thing, I'm going to show you the things which I use to try to decorate my house. I will put a link in the description, so if you want to buy any of these things on Amazon in India, definitely it will be much easier, because all these things I bought them from India also. Again, bear with me, I'm not a professional, so everything which I'm going to do, just understand I'm trying to do my best to make something which will look cool also. So let me explain the simple idea of what I have. I have a table, I have a stand for microphone, I have a small table, I have this logo of mine which I created in a 3D design, I have a small shelf, and I have a way I already planned them that they're going to be in the house. So I want to put this logo somewhere around here where I will be sitting. If I'm making a video from there or from here, someone can easily see it in the background. If I'm making and then I will put another kind of small shelf there in the corner. Some African pattern, some African pictures will be somewhere around here, and then there is another big picture which will be again here in the middle. This kind of clock, I'm going to remove it and put it a little bit higher, something like that. But the first step which I think I have to do is open all of them and see how they look. I haven't opened these. Oh, I have to add also my flag, the flag of my country. Let's start now the thing. I did something really dumb. I have to fix this stuff on the wall, and I was expecting to do it with nails, like I could just hammer one in the wall and get it inside. But something stupid which I couldn't even remember was the nails couldn't enter this a type of wall like this easily. It's not wood. So now I have to go and get someone who can drill so that I can get this stuff inside the wall, and then after that the screw can get in so I can put this stuff inside. So step for now is getting someone who can drill. So I have to leave home, go and check someone out there who can help me drill something. And then I wanted to do this thing by myself. There was no way I was going to make it. I was so excited about this work, but now it's becoming too much more than what I was expecting. I don't think it's going to look as clean as I was expecting it to be. And one major thing which I forgot was painting. I completely ignored it, but now I'm seeing how things won't be the same anymore.
The image is coming slowly.
I feel like there are so many of them now here. So maybe the next one I should put them there rather than here, because my first plan was to put them here. But I think it's saturated already. So I can put them there and see how it's going to be. This is what we have. This is what we have. But one more thing which I want to do is cleaning all the stuff which are all over the place and show you the final result. I'm sure this is going to be so beautiful. I'm myself excited for this. Though it couldn't be what I was dreaming, but it's kind of close. And my first time seeing a house like this. It's my first time. No one else ever made something like this. And by the way, one thing which you should be expecting. This is my logo. This is the logo which means Birds in Victory. And this logo, I'm going to unfold it. Only when I'll be done with everything, I'm going to unfold it and show it to you how it will be glowing. Wait for that. Do you want to see how the final thing look like? Do you want to see how the final thing look like? Just a second. Now, let me give you them one by one. First of all, I think we need some colors. Hey, switch on. Boom. Next thing, I want some white light. Boom. Look at this. So this is how you might be seeing me from most of the video which will be coming up from now. And I think it looks cool. The background, this light right here, this stuff right here, this thing, and then this logo. Oh my god, this stuff looks so cool. I just love this. And seriously, this is the result. For me, this is the result of a lot of years working on having something like this. I never imagined having something like this a few years back. And if I have it now, just thank God. Man, there are a lot of things which had to happen in order for me to get this. And I'm so grateful to be at the level that I can have stuff like this. Though one thing which I can understand is that it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort. It's just a lot of things in order to reach something like this. For someone like me who never had any idea of how you can design your house, starting from making just pictures or arranging just my bed in order to make a video in front of it. I think this is something which I should be impressed by myself, but it's not also too much. Like, I mean, anyone can achieve it. If someone like me with zero budgets, like, I'm not rich, seriously, I have nothing. But if someone like me can make something like this, then it means that most people can make something like this. And maybe another thing should be that there is a lot to be done in life than just reaching a certain level where you can have something like this. Seriously, my God, I'm feeling so happy. But like, what I just want to mean is that there is a lot in life which you can achieve more than just having stuff like this. And that's a lot. I think it's realizing that you have a life to live and to do things which you feel like can be useful to you. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for hearing me. Thank you so much for going with me through this adventure of decorating my house and having it in the way that I was dreaming. I'm so happy for this, and I hope you can do also the same if you want. It's not so expensive. Seriously, trust me, guys, these things are not so expensive. I don't know, the table, the lights behind, all these things, they're very basic stuff which you can have for 1,000 rupees, for 2,000 rupees, the lights, everything. Like, there is nothing which is super rich here. They're just stuff which you can do by yourself. And thank you so much for being here. Catch you next time. Love you so much. Pata kopi. Ona kwanza wewe mnabongo. Tosha ngozi. You don't get a tere. Eh, you don't get a tere. You don't get a tere. Eh. Tibuka la watoa maji.
When